Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Furniture Industry News. Today's date is June 2nd, 2025. Thanks for tuning in. We've got a few important updates and insights that I think anyone involved in the furniture industry will find useful. First off, let's talk about tariffs and how they continue to shape the landscape of furniture imports. Recently, U.S. Customs and Border Protection announced that they're extending tariff relief for goods arriving by sea until June 16th. This relief means that certain imported goods won't face additional tariffs or delays, which is a huge help for companies trying to keep supply chains moving smoothly amid ongoing global economic uncertainties. This extension is part of an effort to give importers a bit of breathing room as they manage inventory and pricing. For furniture retailers and manufacturers, this is good news because it helps keep costs down and avoids the disruptions caused by tariff-related delays. However, the situation is still clearly dynamic. The government might adjust these relief measures again if supply chain pressures persist or if new trade policies are introduced. So, it's crucial for industry professionals to stay aware of updates from customs and other regulatory bodies to plan accordingly. Now, shifting gears to the latest in furniture demand and market trends. According to a recent report from Smith Leonard, March 2025 saw a 1% increase in both furniture orders and shipments compared to March of last year. This growth, although modest, indicates that the furniture industry continues to rebound and grow steadily. The interesting part is that the growth is happening across various product lines and channels. It suggests that consumer confidence is still intact and that people are investing in their homes, especially as more folks are returning to their routines after the pandemic. The report also highlights that retailers are seeing increased sales, particularly in higher-end and customized furniture, which points to a more nuanced consumer demand. People want not just functional furniture but pieces that reflect their personal style or boost their home's aesthetic. For manufacturing, this means there's an opportunity to focus on quality and customization options, even as supply chain issues linger. It signals that the industry is resilient and adapting well to changing consumer preferences. Speaking of adaptation, that brings us to the role of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, in helping furniture companies navigate ongoing challenges like tariffs. Recently, I came across some insights about how AI tools are increasingly being utilized by furniture executives. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data, everything from raw material costs to shipping schedules, tariffs, and even consumer trends. By doing so, AI can help companies make smarter decisions about pricing, sourcing, and inventory management. For example, if tariffs on certain materials or imports are expected to rise or fall, AI systems can alert businesses so they can adjust their purchasing strategies accordingly. This can help avoid unexpected costs or shortages. Moreover, AI-driven forecasts can provide a clearer picture of future demand, allowing companies to plan production better and reduce waste. The fact is, navigating tariffs and global trade complexities isn't simple, but with advanced AI tools, furniture executives can gain a competitive edge by making proactive decisions instead of reacting to problems after they happen. The technology is still evolving, but it's clear that embracing AI can lead to more efficient operations and, ultimately, better service for customers. It's fascinating to see how these technological developments are reshaping our industry. As supply chains become more complex and global markets continue to shift, having powerful data analysis tools can make all the difference. Whether it's avoiding delays, controlling costs, or understanding consumer preferences, AI is becoming an essential part of strategic planning in furniture manufacturing and retail. As we look ahead, it's clear that the industry's ability to adapt and incorporate new technologies, along with staying alert to trade policy shifts, will determine how successful furniture businesses will be in the coming months. Maintaining agility is key. Being prepared for tariffs, supply chain hiccups, and changing consumer tastes will help companies stay competitive and serve their customers better. That's all for today's roundup. Thanks for listening to Furniture Industry News. Remember, staying informed is your best tool in this ever-changing landscape. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. I'll catch you next time.